Queen Medusa. I've come here to ask you for something.
What do you desire, mortal? Be brief, for my time is precious.
I want one of your snakes to eat tonight.
Very well. I will grant your strange wish.
I think my snake soup should be ready. Let's take a look.
So, did you enjoy dinner, my dear?